How to add widget on iPhone home screen. So if you're on this iOS 18 and you want to add a widget on your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add widget on your iPhone home screen, all you just need to do is press and hold your home screen just like this. Then click on edit button at the top left. Then click on add widget. Here you have access to all the widgets you can add to your iPhone home screen. So scroll through and then select the widget you want to add. You can also come down to the app section and then select the app widget you want to add. So in this case, let's say I want to add a battery widget. Click on it. Then here you should see all available widgets you can add to your iPhone home screen. Then once you find your favorite, just go ahead and click on add widgets. Then you should see the widget added to your iPhone screen. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the button at the top right. So you can use this to add multiple widgets to your iPhone home screen. So that is basically how to add widgets to home screen on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.